Hello and welcome to K1 Take Care. I have iPhone 11. We are going to change the screen. I'm sure it gives so many videos regarding how to change the screen for iPhone 11 and other iPhones, but honestly the reason I'm making this video, it is it's very hard to see it, but if I look there, stay here, iPhone unavailable, try again in 2 hours and 44 minutes. The reason is because the screen is damaged. It's randomly pressed the pin number many times, and as soon you know, if you type your pin number many times wrong one, is going to lock it, and sometimes it say unavailable. You have to connect to iTunes. I see some videos in TikTok or any or other social, like a YouTube, Facebook, and like that they're all saying to connect it, to tell you how to reset it. You need to think, if you do that one, you are going to lose everything you got in your phone. However, you can restore it back if in case you back it up, and in modern phones, honestly, it's going to be back up automatically, is turned on. But this is not the what I want to talk about. It is that no one going to tell. If you do that, you have to know your Apple ID and passwords to able to activate this phone again. Is no any other way. Honestly, I see a lot of videos that there are offer, yeah, do this one, pay that one, and we are going to remove the iClouds. Respect to the people who offer this one. I do it 20 years, that type of work, this business, and I have not see anything like that that really going to work. What I want to say, careful before you spend any money. Is not, as soon I know, is not possible to able to bypass the iClouds. Okay, this has been badly repaired. However, it's not possible to bypass the iCloud lock, because this is something is, of course, if you change the serial number or IMEI number, you can't do it. Like an iPad is give the way to remove the iCloud, but what you are doing, you replace the serial number. Is give a special software. You can replace the serial number with the iCloud free serial number iPad to the lock. Is mean you change the serial number, and if you turn it on, because you know you connected to the internet, you connected to the server, Apple server, and the Apple server check the serial number is been iCloud lock or not. It's not something physically is in the phone. It's always check with the server is yes or no. So, and the iPad is only work with the Wi-Fi version, not with the 3G one, with the cellular one. So what I want to say, careful before you start to purchase something, research it. I clearly tell you, I have seen a lot of people who offer it in the TikTok and show the videos and say, oh yeah, you know what, go in this link, download this software, connect to your phone, and we are going to remove the iCloud. With respect, bullshit. I have, honestly, it's not going to work. It's give the way. I have put a video in my YouTube channel that is show how to remove the iCloud, but it was like a joke. And if you go watch this one, it's worth to watching it. Probably I'll put a link in the description that you can see how it's work. Just was a video to let you know, again, it's not possible to remove the iCloud from the iPhone as soon you change the serial number. Yes, otherwise you have to hack to the server, to Apple server. And sorry, let me, someone call me. Who is it? Hmm? Beth. Huh? What should I do? Oh, okay, I see. Yeah, where I was. yeah, you have to change the serial number, because what I say before, as you turn on your phone, the phone is communicated with the Apple server, and the server is confirmed this phone is the iCloud lock or not. So, and who going to tell, oh, do it this and that is rubbish, is not broke. However, if in case you know someone able to, or some software able to do that, please share it with me. I'm more than happy to promote it, this software, and share it with everyone who all got a problem. The other option, if in case you have lost your Apple ID and password and you are not able to find it, just when you want to log in, press the forgot the password, answer the secret question, and properly able you are to reset your password. Again, careful, if you do it too many times, wrong password to your Apple ID, you will going to lock your phone, your iCloud. And if in case this happen, can be take up to 30 days to go be unlocked again. The other option it is, you contact the Apple directly, Apple support. We have done it a few days ago for the elderly customer. And we have contacted the Apple. There are some security questions like last time what you purchased, what is the credit card linked to your Apple ID bills, and like that stuff. And they are actually sending the link, and the lady able to create a new password. This is one option as well. However, again, guys, careful who offer you something like that. Don't trust, please don't trust. Good friend of mine, good customer, fell in this scam. He paid 48 US dollar. It was from Middle East company, based in Middle East. However, if you go in the website, it was absolutely crazy. Look perfect, nice, and it's look every genuine. He pay, and end it cost him roughly about 800 US dollar. I don't know how much it is, 600 pounds, something like that. And it's nothing. You know, he could not do anything because he confirmed to pay it. However, I hope this video helped. And if you got question, comment, or go to www.k1techcare.com, at the top right, contact, send me a message. I'll try my best to help you. Alright, just I'm going to change the screen. I'm sure you know how to change it. It's not the point to carry on with the video. Just I want to give you, this is only the information what I want to share with you, and hope that helped. Thank you for watching. Take care. Hopefully see you in next video. Thank you.